Hey everyone, welcome back to the Go Skills Challenge. We've got an interesting scenario for you, and our Excel expert Claudia Buckley has all the details for you to solve this challenge.
We think you'll have fun with this month's challenge. We're playing around with text values on this worksheet. Let's imagine that these are the early bird applicants for service with a new internet provider. We'll call the provider NetPro. We need to assign account numbers for each customer. And for people who didn't submit an email address, NetPro will provide them with one. Account numbers should have 4 digits, starting with 0001. But here's the catch. We need the list sorted by last names so that the person who gets account number 0001 would be first in an A to Z last name list. And for the email addresses, we want to fill those blank fields in by generating an address consisting of last name, account number, @netpro.com. I'm a huge fan of simple solutions, so can you find an easy way to complete these tasks? Our recent autofill video might give you some ideas. We also have a little hack from the last bonus lesson in our free Excel for Beginners course that might come in handy. If you need anything else, just search our resource hub on GoSkills.com. See you next week.
So, do you have what it takes to successfully complete this challenge? To get started, click on the link in the description and download the files you need. Let us know your progress or any suggestions you might have in the comments section below. Or even better, join the GoSkills Slack channel and chat with other Excel pros about your approach. Link in the description. And if you want to know Claudia's solution, subscribe to this channel. And when we release the solution video, you'll get the full step-by-step rundown of how to solve the challenge. So good luck, everyone.